Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to format and optimize code in Chatgpt. Whether you are a seasoned programmer or just starting out, learning how to properly format and optimize your code can make a huge difference in the readability and functionality of your projects. So let's dive in and explore some tips and tricks for making your code cleaner and more efficient. Navigate to the Chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try ChatGPT button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. Step 2. You will be redirected to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You will need to enter your registered email address or username and password and then press continue button to log in. Step 1. Use proper indentation. The first step to format your code is to use proper indentation. This means using spaces or tabs to separate your code into logical blocks. For example, if you have a block of code that performs a specific task, you should indent it to make it easier to read and understand. Step 2. Consistent naming conventions. Another important aspect of formatting your code is to use consistent naming conventions. This means using meaningful and descriptive names for your variables, functions, and classes. For example, instead of using generic names like A or B, you should use names that describe the purpose of the variable. Step 3. Optimize your code. Once you have formatted your code properly, it's time to optimize it for performance. This means identifying and removing any unnecessary code and using more efficient algorithms and data structures. For example, if you have a loop that performs a repetitive task, you should consider using a more efficient algorithm that reduces the number of iterations and time. So that's it. We have covered some basic tips and tricks for formatting and optimizing your code in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you soon.